Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Newmarket man accused of pistol whipping woman fleeing town. No one was allowed in or out of a Newmarket neighborhood for several hours Thursday afternoon while police looked for a man accused of pistol whipping a woman in a home on Prescott Street. Police said they were called to the home just before 1 p.m. to the home for a reported domestic assault. Officials said one of the residents, Jeffrey Sneerson, 38, pistol whipped a woman with a loaded gun. The victim was taken to Portsmouth Regional Hospital. Officers tried to make contact with Sneerson by phone, but were unsuccessful, police said. Tactical officers were called in, and residents were told to shelter in place. Residents who weren't home at the time weren't allowed to go home until the situation was resolved. Police said they believed Sneerson was in the home and even sent in a robot. Unnoted to law enforcement officers, Sneerson had fled on foot prior to officials' initial attempt to contact him. He traveled from Newmarket to Durham using the railroad tracks and was apprehended around 5:30 p.m. by Durham police on Route 108. Sneerson was found to be carrying a loaded 9mm pistol, which was concealed in his waistband when he was arrested. He is charged with domestic violence and second-degree assault for his offenses in Newmarket, along with 2 counts of simple assault on a police officer and resisting arrest in Durham. About 10 agencies were involved with trying to find Sneerson. Sneerson refused the services of a bail commissioner and is being held at the Rockingham County Jail. He is expected to be arraigned Friday morning at the Rockingham County Superior Court. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great day, everyone, and I'll see back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.